Good morning, students. In last period, we see about the digestive system of a human and their parts. Okay, so today we start the process of digestion. The process of digestion is very important for our body. So, for the digestion, our digestive system is useful for us. So, in last period we see that this the digestive system of human. Okay, so in that the number of the organs is included, and these organs are helpful for the digestion. Digestions we already studied in last period. What will be the digestion? The process of breaking down of food to simple form. Okay, means food is break down into small pieces and that can be easily digested. Okay, so our process of digestion is start from the mouth. The process of digestion start from the mouth. You know, when you take the food, we first of all bite it, then chewing with the help of teeth. Then in our mouth there is a one type of fluid. There is a saliva that called saliva. That saliva mix up with the food and then we can swallow the food. Okay, so this food then pass into that from this food pipe. Okay, फिर वो कहाँ से जाने लगता है? Through the food pipe. So after that what happen? See, the teeth that which is the digestive juice saliva, and saliva make the food moist and soft so that it become easy to swallow, and this food pass into the food pipe. Okay, then afterward the muscle of the food pipe push it down into the stomach. From the food pipe then it come into stomach. Okay, in the stomach the food is a stay for the several hours. Food stay in the stomach for several hours. Then it is mixed with the more enzyme. In our stomach the number of the enzyme is there and it is mixed with the food. And one type of acid is also present in our stomach, that's called gastric acid. This acid is secreted by the wall of stomach. This process change the solid food into liquid form. When the liquid is mixed up into the food, then it become change into liquid form. Okay, so protein is digested in the stomach. In stomach the one type of juice is present, gastric acid, is helpful for the digestion. Okay, so then from next process is start of digestion from the stomach. Okay, this all process is going on in the stomach, but after that from the stomach the liquid float into small intestine. See here, from stomach this food pass into the small intestine. Okay, in small intestine is the place where all total digestion process is completed. Okay, means the total digestion is completed in the small intestine. In small intestine what happen? That stomach push that liquid form of the food into the small intestine. Then here small intestine, from that food the essential nutrients is absorbed in the blood. For our body the nutrients are important, and that nutrients is absorbed by the small intestine and it's passed through the blood, or it's supplied through the blood, and from the blood it all supply to all parts of the our body. Okay, means from the stomach that come into small intestine, and in small intestine the important nutrient is absorbs, and these nutrients are then passed to all parts of body through the blood. Okay, then afterward what happened? Some food are undigested. Some food are undigested, like the fibers of the fruits and vegetables. These fruits, these fibers is not digested in our body. So these fibers are helpful, not helpful for us. So these are passed through the large intestine. Large intestine is the last part of the alimentary canals. Okay, is the last part of the alimentary canal. So the undigested food are passed through this large intestine. Okay, means see that we these pass from the small intestine to large intestine, and the large intestine absorb leftover waters and minerals. Means this semi-solid waste then pass to the rectum. That the waste product that come out from our body is from the rectum. Okay, and then after that it's leaving the body through the anus. Okay, means in the process of digestion, first process is start from the mouth. Okay, in mouth these are mixed up with the saliva, is the one type of enzyme. Then from mouth it's come from the food pipe. Okay, then come into stomach, then after small intestine. Here the liquid form is come inside this small intestine. Afterward that large undigested food is come into the large intestine. So like that in our body the process of digestion is going on. Okay, do you understood it? If you have any problem then you can ask me by comments. Okay, so then after that the role of the liver and pancreas, you know, see in the diagram, in our digestive system the liver is also present. Okay, liver, which is this is red color, it is the largest organ of the body which secrete a digestive juice called the bile. Liver secrete the one type of digestive juice that called the biles, and that help in the digestion of fats. Okay, and another gland is present, pancreas. Pancreas secrete the digestive juice that help in the digestion. Okay, pancreas secrete the digestive juice that helps in the digestion. Okay, so it's a important gland. So what the roles of that liver and pancreas? See, liver secrete the digestive juice called the biles. Okay, the biles help in the breakdown of fat. You know, fat is also one type of the nutrients, and that which is the sources of the fats, that the oil, ghee is also essential for our body. So biles helps in the breakdown of the fat. Okay, and pancreas also secrete the digestive juice that helps in the digestion. Okay, that also help in the digestion. So for the digestion, before the digestion we have to chewing the food properly. So why you have to chew the food? Because why need of the chewing the food? Some of the benefits are also for of the chewing the food. For that we have to chewing the food. So chewing helps in the swallowing the food easily. Okay, without chewing is not possible to swallow the whole food. When you take the bite, we first chew it and break down into small piece, and then we swallow it. Okay, because in mouth the saliva is mixed up with it and it's easy to swallow. Second, this process releases the saliva. When you chew the food in our mouth with the help of teeth, then saliva is releases, and saliva digests the starch and make our food soft. Saliva means, it's called in Marathi lard. Okay, saliva means lard. So saliva digests the starch and make our food soft. Third need, proper chewing convert food into smaller pieces and helps food move through the esophagus or food pipe. Proper chew, if you proper the chew the food, it convert into smaller piece, okay, and helps the food move through the food pipe. It's also called esophagus. Okay, this is the third need. Fourth, it strengthen our teeth, gums and jaws. It strengthens our teeth, gums and jaws. Our teeth should be strong because of the chewing the food. Okay, our jaws also strong, strength. The fourth one, it helps in release of digestive enzymes and thus simplify the digestion. Okay, it helps in release of digestive enzyme. The digestive enzymes present in our stomach that releases when you chew the food properly. Okay, and it helpful to digestion. Okay, so it's about the process of digestion in our body. So you know, the liver is the largest internal organ of our body. Okay, and it adds a special digestive juice called the bile. See, let's know more. In that, you can see here some points. So it's also reduced. Okay, so here our process of digestion is almost finished. Okay, so next point we will discuss in a next period. Okay, thank you.